morning, everyone. Stream in the green, that's what CryptoFace always says, and that's what we're gonna do because finally, after I want to say one whole trading week, I finally got that one account that was put into the red immediately on day one because of a stop loss error. It is now in the green. Now both my accounts that I started with are in the green. Just makes sense to stream in the green. Emotionally more comfortable to do it in the green. So I understand the sentiment behind that saying. First and foremost, let me pull up the Bitfunded account. Multiple and just show you. Alright, so here's the two dashboards. The two dashboards we got for account number one, we're at 103. 1.3 of that is unrealized, and on the other one you can see we had, this one was the one that got slammed on day one. This one is finally at 101, completely realized. Both accounts doing well. Let's look at the market though. So if you were following me, I was still posting signals even though I wasn't making the videos, and we've been short since on Bitcoin the 71 area, and of course we were short at the top at 76 as well because that was the anchored VWAP year to date. I can zoom out and show you. Yeah, you can see right here this purple line, it touched it. That was the anchored VWAP year to date, so that was a beautiful, exact, perfect short. And we just slammed an ETH long last night. This was the ETH long. It just took profit this morning at 8:30 with this wick. I had orders in just sitting, and I woke up to this. Now on the micro, we are seeing a potential short scalp, even though this divergence kind of already played out, even though it's just printing because we're already down 1% from the top. But as I zoom in here, this divergence, continues to show up the 30-minute, but it's not showing anything higher than the 30-minute, meaning let me delete this is useless now there could be some potential continuation here, is kind of what I'm looking at, like bullish continuation. Obviously on the low time frames, I think this divergence needs to play around a bit, but I think I can get pumped through. And we might see some of these larger time frame divergences, like this 5-hour on ETH, this 5-hour bull div play out. You can't just go down forever, so maybe we're looking at like a static trend line here or a parallel channel. But let's look at Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin, it is in this purple region I have marked, which is just like these week lows. So clear support and resistance that we are currently rejecting off of, and I'm not seeing very strong evidence of bearish divergence to send us back lower. If I want to see bearish divergence, it would be maybe all the way back at 72. I guess that's possible, but I think this order block area, it's not just an order block, it's actually at the 69K original all-time high support and resistance. I don't think we're gonna get there, but if we do, that is huge support and resistance to not neglect. That would be an amazing short scalp entry or short entry to like these wick lows and this low time frame order block area at about 67,600. That would be where I look for a potential turnaround here for another scalp short entry. And the reason I'm so prominent here on the scalp shorts right now is because of the daily blood diamond that we got that confirmed and is continuing. Obviously it could have already played out, considering it was this blood diamond was already below negative when it printed, meaning it's probably not going to be that strong, but it could be. We can't just neglect this blood diamond, and on the 12-hour it printed over the negative. And I think in general, this pattern that we're seeing on the macro is showing this hell step curvature. So we could make a double bottom at 60K, or hopefully, I'm thinking we break lower than 60K to 53K if this blood diamond actually feels like doing something with itself. Aiming at this weekly fib at 53. That's my goal right now. All right, I've been talking too long. It's been 8 minutes. Holy crap.